Blockchain flows, bitties riding no cap. DeFi kingpin cause the charts in his lap. Wheelchair bound still breaking the trap. Cryptic codes making haters all nap. Wait, crypto keep it lit, keep rolling. Coins on fire, prophecy beholding. This ability ain't no limit, he's golden. When the past down is never folding. YouTube hustler subscribers gone nuts. Crypto market way never cuts. Posted ETH is calculating guts. In the bearable dudes got the clutch. Wait, crypto keep it lit, keep rolling. Coins on fire, prophecy beholding.
What's going on? What's going on, everyone? My name is Waddy X. Welcome to the show. I do apologize. I haven't been doing any stream lately, but had a few things happen to me. First, there was a death in the family. My cousin, rest in peace. And then my mom's birthday and other things along the way. But I'm back, guys. That's what matters. I hope everyone is well and had a blessed day so far. Now, let me bring up the crypto chart. Tim Shea in the house. What's going on? What's going on? Jeff, welcome, bro. Welcome. Sorry, bro. Appreciate that, Tim. Hey, Jeff. Hey, Tim. And well, look, before we get started, like I was just reading and Jesus, it's crazy. Have you guys heard of Haley Welch actually launched a token called Hawk? And not even 30 minutes, it already rocked. Crypto is the wild, wild, wild west, people. So just be careful out there. Had a great Thanksgiving. Thank you. Well, I'm glad you did, bro. I'm glad you did. So did I. I mean, Jesus, I ate like a freaking pig, bro. My sister kept asking me, "You sure you gonna eat that?" I'm like, "Yeah, yeah, I'm pretty sure." Hey, what's going on? Our Lake 13, welcome, welcome. Well, they remember that ski and base I mentioned about 10 days ago so far. Yeah, so funny thing, bro. I actually saw that thing. I got some news on it, but it went crazy. So congrats, man. I'm doing amazing now that I see Wadi live. I appreciate that, Jeff. So yeah, the thing about me is like, I'll be honest, I don't mind doing DJ plays and all of that, but I noticed like I put in $100 in bar sick, that then went down. I put in $100 in other coins, that then went down. Every time I put in $100 for something, it freaking goes down. I try to buy Shiro when it was still on a Dex exchange, and I couldn't even buy it. And then the next day, it went up like crazy because it got listed on L Bank and it got listed on MEXC. Is it still early? Yeah, but at the same time, I already heard a little bit of FUD. So I'm like, man, all these coins, man, and there's gonna be more popping up in the bull market. Obviously, we are in the bull market. Thanks. Oh heck yeah, Tim. I'm loving it too. Like if you guys saw every time I posted something like RSI was doing good, H bar, XLM, XRP. There is another one that's also doing pretty good. Sand today did pretty good. All these tokens they're gonna run, and I'm gonna point out a few of them. B Chain obviously did pretty good. Right now is taking a little break. The other one that did pretty well, Win BTT. Now, Pepe, tomorrow is going on Binance US, and I'm expecting a good rally. If it doesn't, then ouch, I'm gonna have to reconsider. No, literally speaking, I do believe Pepe got a crap ton of room to run. Strata, what's going on? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here, bro. Hi, guys. Somo Fud in the house. Yo, guys, Somo Fud sent me a freaking Diddy Happy Thanksgiving style. So I told him to oil up. Much love for you, Somo. Hi, guys. Let me bring up the chart. Ding, 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 ding. Alex, welcome, welcome. Look, it looks like that's what we want to do, but I don't know, man. That resistance just keeps rejecting right back, literally. Like every time it pushes up, this resistance right here, 99, 256, 99,256. It keeps getting rejected. But the day is not over and it's still bullish, in my opinion. If we don't break today, this is what I'm looking at, the 4-hour chart. We got to break today, man. I mean, come on. And then even uh Tom Lee, he was saying that once we get above 100K, is going to be a massive freaking rally. Tim, hey, did he do holiday then? Yeah, pretty much. Need someone like Michael Saylor to push 100K. Is that psychological level? Yeah, I'm actually thinking that if there are suppressing is for a reason, but maybe just waiting until Trump to actually sit at the White House, maybe that's what I'm thinking about. All right, guys, let's get into the news. Then we get to chill, talk, hang out, look at some coins, whatever you guys want to do. Um, so starting with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has expressed strong support for Paul Atkins' nomination as the new U.S. Security and Exchange Commission SEC chair. Garlinghouse believes Atkins will bring a common sense approach to crypto regulation, which could benefit the industry. Senator Cynthia Loomis also support Atkins, calling his nomination a huge win for financial innovation and regulatory clarity. Atkins, a former SEC commissioner, has experience in financial regulation and connection to the crypto industry, suggesting he could positively impact the sector future. So, booyaka. Look, everything that Trump has been doing so far, it points out to him making the United States literally crypto friendly. And I'm loving it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm loving this because that's what we all need. We need a crypto friendly US, especially in New York. I'm so tired living in New York. Any pie news? No, I haven't heard any pie news so more, but I am a little bit worried because they pushed the KYC again. They extended it. And I don't know, man. I mean, it's starting to feel a little bit off. But I'm not going to discard it just yet. Suzuki in the house. What's going on? What's up, Wadi Diddy and everyone just dropping in until wifey serves me my chuletas. Buen provecho, buen provecho. Enjoy your dinner, bro. All right, so moving to the next one. Dogecoin holders. Dogecoin has surged 181% in the past month, suggesting a potential new phase in its bull run. Analysts note that Doge BTC pair has formed a triangle pattern over 3 weeks, indicating a possible upward breakout. This pattern, combined with increased investor interest and favorable technical indicator, points to continue growth for Dogecoin. So, Dogecoin, it's not done, nowhere near done. Obviously, none of these crypto is anywhere near done. Yeah, we could get a little bit of retracement, like no hate on the XRP people. I love XRP. Obviously, I didn't jump in when I should have. I regret it. Same thing happened with XOM. But it's okay because I knew there was going to be a dip eventually, and hopefully I'll be able to take advantage if I'm not stuck somewhere. Buen provecho, Tim Shea, hola. Oh, Stratus, hablas español, cool. Um, but I was calling, everybody was going $5 XRP, $5, $10. Great. Eventually it will get there, but it's not gonna happen in a whole freaking week. It's gonna go that far. So you gotta be realistic, people. You gotta look at mainly. I love looking at the 4 hour chart. And let me show you right here what I'm talking about. Some people, oh crap, back to BTC. Some people are okay with just the whole FOMO situation. Me, honestly, I learned a while back that FOMO is never good because FOMO, if you got in the beginning, then it's great. But if you got in like a lot of people did around this area, this was already the top right here. Boom. I could make that a resistance. Uh, right there. That is the top. So for continuation to happen, this got to come down a little bit more. And then once it's settled, it's going to start going sideways again. Once we break up from this pattern, I mean, from this trend line, then we could continue seeing the run up. But before that, it got to break up. It got to come down and retest. Hold. This becomes a support, and then we take off again. If that doesn't happen, then you guys just got to be careful. That's all I'm saying. Samantha Bab in the house. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. My dude, it's not too late to get into XRP. It's just going oh no, I know that, bro. But I'm okay with retracement. It was just going crazy for a couple of days, maybe like a week straight or so. And I was like, no, 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 no. I'll wait. Oh no, I know XRP is not a meme. Homo rhymes with Lomo. I don't know. Or Como. All right. Now, going back to XRP, let's read some XRP news. Despite Forbes labeling XRP as a zombie token due to perceived limited real world use, crypto analysis like Dark Defender and Egrog Crypto predict XRP could reach $10 or even $27 in this market cycle. These forecasts are based on technical analysis such as the elite wave theory and XRP recent significant price increase. Currently, XRP is trading at the time of writing $2.43 with an intraday high of 2.66 and a low of 2.33. While these projections are optimistic, the volatile nature of crypto market means such targets are uncertain. So just be careful. FOMO, no more for me. Got it, Suzuki. But yeah, so in the long run, XRP is going to do excellent, people. I mean, if you're holding the bag and you're willing to hold your bag since forever, then by all means, this is the right time. Obviously, with the new sec chair coming in, I got a feeling they're gonna settle the case and XRP is gonna fly even further, or they're just gonna dismiss the case and then even better because XRP is still gonna fly no matter which way they put it. What's going on? JR in the house. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. All right. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stated that Bitcoin is more comparable to gold than the US dollar. He described Bitcoin as a speculative asset similar to gold, noting its high volatility and limited use in payment or as a stable store of value. Powell emphasized that Bitcoin competes with gold rather than the dollar. These remarks have influenced market perception of Bitcoin's role in the financial system. So everybody knows, and for a long time, everyone has been saying Bitcoin is digital gold. But you know what? It's funny because there's people that believe in gold, and you got to walk around like, I don't know, maybe get a safe or something or a bolt to carry your gold and have it there in the house and it's still. But Bitcoin, on the other hand, which is way more valuable right now than gold, you could just carry on your damn phone or a tablet or anything because it's a digital asset. So, my opinion, Bitcoin is way worth more. Yeah, buddy, let's freaking go. XRP will flip BTC either way. Um, all right, Somo, but I don't want to discard the idea, but I see that kind of hard to happen, to be honest, because Bitcoin is King Bitcoin right about now. Bitcoin is the one that runs everything else. All right, moving forward. The running network has seen a 33% rise in transaction, reaching 2.55 million. Its native token run is trading at 2.36, up 8% in the past hour. The network hosts 1.22 million daily activity addresses and holds 1.2 billion in total value locked. Plans are underway to transition to a permissionless blockchain in early 2025. So if you guys want to see what's going on, Cheese, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here, Brian. If you guys haven't checked out Run, RON, then take a look. It might be something interesting for you for sure. I do like the token and the narrative it has. So it's just an investment and it's a solid investment. Why BTC is king? Because BTC was the first coin ever created. It started everything. BTC is the one that has the massive adoption, in my opinion. Every, yeah, country pretty much should have like a reserve of BTC or something. Some more for that. Hola, beans and melon. So, all right. So, moving forward, this is what I was saying earlier. Tom Lee, head of research at Fundstrat, predicts that Bitcoin price could reach 150K in 2024. He attributes this potential surge to three main factors: the approval of Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETF, the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, and anticipated interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. The halving expected in April will reduce the Bitcoin reward per block from 6.25. Yo, is this person late? Because that haven't already happened, to my knowledge, to 3.125 BTC, decreasing the supply of new Bitcoin. Lee suggests that these elements combined could lead to a significant increase in Bitcoin value. Like I said, I don't know if the person that wrote the news made a mistake or what the heck just happened there, but that haven't already happened. No worry, we need to focus on Citrus Reserve. I'm telling you, by 2048, you will have so much. And Paul, what's going on? Steve the Canadian in the house. Welcome, welcome. After BTC came yes, LTC, Dogecoin, and XRP were born. And XLM was also born. Pi Stellar, baby. Let me see. Let me see. It's the Canadian 21 million BTC left in circulation. Yeah, that's the only thing. That's what makes Bitcoin so special. What's going on, Prince? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. Shout out to Dreamcat. Oh, hey, Wadi, if that is your real name. I think it's all over my screen, bro. Wadi X everywhere. How you doing, good sir? I'm good. I am good. Thank you. And yourself? You're about to get a whole new set of Lol Steve. Alright, so it's not far fetched. 150K Bitcoin. I said 120K, and if we break 120K, then I could see 320K to 500,000 Bitcoin. My opinion, obviously, not financial advice at all. Um, was this correct? XOM, XDC. Yo, XDC has been doing great too. I mean, incredibly great. Yo, I just tag you on a reply. Check it out. Left hand out. All right, bro. I'll check it out. I can do it while I'm live stream, but definitely check it out. I Shaitoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, has announced a new meme coin named Shifu. He hinted at an upcoming airdrop for holders of SHIB, Bubble, Leech, and IO NFT, with snapshots to be taken soon. This news has generated excitement among investors, contributing to a 3% daily increase in SHIB, price reaching 0.3037 over the past week. A month. SHIB has seen gains of 22% and 80% respectively. The, the anticipation surrounding Shifu launch, along with increased demand from SHIB investor, has positively influenced the market sentiment. Okay, so great for people that are holding SHIB, that believe in the multi-million coins, and I don't mean multi-million coins by multi-million dollars that's going to be worth. I literally mean there's mad coins in the same ecosystem. Um, I see that as a problem. I don't want to fudge shit. I know a lot of people believe in it. I know there's going to be more people believing in shit, but I honestly think they dropped the ball. And the more tokens they make, the worse is going to be, because how much of your investors can you literally have them spend? Hey, look, we got Ship. Ship was perfect. Then we got Leech. Then we got Bone. Then we got Tree. And now there's a new one called Shifu. So that's one thing that I want people to realize, that usually if the developer has more than one coin, in my opinion, once again, not FUD, something is not right. But you guys be the judge of that. Every time I think of you, I can only see the baller cover in gold. It's dope car. I expect nothing less. Steve. So the thing about Somo is that if if you know he didn't get too involved in the daily parties, and they say that sometimes it's contagious. Um maybe he should consider adopting a grown ass man. Okay, you guys got your XRP with had a financial. Nope, I didn't get that one. I heard XRP is launching a crap ton of meme coin, but I also heard that majority of them already rug. So oof. I moving forward, and this is Tim favorite piece of news. U.S. Congressman Mike Collins from Georgia disclosed purchasing between 1,000 and 15,000 of the meme coin Sky Mass Dog Sky in early December 2024. Following this revelation, Sky Orski price more than double, reaching an all-time high of 24 cents and elevating its market capitalization beyond 200 million. Collins stated, I like the coins, so I bought them. Emphasized the need to respect emerging technology in the crypto ecosystem. This is in its first crypto investment earlier in 2024. He reported buying up to 65,000 worth of Ethereum. Woo! Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, come on, bro. Who doesn't want a rich dad, right? And my father is not around, so I'm just playing, man. Yes, sir. He heard I bought in and didn't want to miss out, bro. Yeah, for real, man. I mean, hey, There was another senator last time, and he bought shit, and I was like, "Up, everyone is going for ship now." Now talking about shit. On December 3rd, 2024, the US government moved 33.6 million cryptocurrencies seized from the collapsed FTX exchange and Alameda Research to unknown wallet. This includes 18 million in Ethereum, 13 million in Binance BUSD, and 1.5 million in Shiba Inu SHIB. These transfers happened during a time when the crypto market was experiencing a general increase in prices. So I don't know what exactly they're planning to do with all that, but hopefully they don't sell. You know, if they move it to a wallet and just hold on, great. If they come up and sell it, then that might affect the market a bit. All right. Now, the last piece of news, and we could just chill. Cardano ADA has seen a 270% price increase over the past 30 days. However, large holders known as whales have recently sold about 5.96 million ADA token worth approximately 69 million. This sell-off comes just before a scheduled token unlock on December 6th, which will release an additional 18.53 million ADA value at 22.79 million into the market. Such event can increase supply and potentially lead to price volatility. Technical indicator also suggests ADA is currently overbought, indicating a possible price correction. So, if you guys want to understand, when they release more token into the market, that actually could cause the price to drop anyway. And the fact that ADA is already on oversold territory, I mean, overbought territory, then definitely is due for a correction. A lot of these coins is going to be due for a correction. So don't feel like, oh my gosh, I'm missing out. I'll never get in. No, 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 no. The market got plenty of opportunities. So give me 1 second, guys. Sorry, my kid. What's going on? What's going on? Big Watch in the house. Welcome, bro. Appreciate you being here. What's going on? GS, que lo que? What in the What Squad? Pepe. Bro, Pepe is getting listed on Binance US, so make sure you guys are paying attention. And talking about meme coin, Mudang, Mug, Turbo, all of them got listed on Coinbase. And man, I'm really feeling bullish when it comes to Coinbase, especially them listing all these meme coins. He got a booger, can pick his nose. You are hilarious, JR. So, family Panda 26, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. Hi, guys. So, what the heck did I do? Wait. If you guys could still hear me, I apologize. I don't know what I did. Oh, there you go. Some way, somehow, I closed everything. Thanks for the warm welcome. But everyone is always welcome. Oh no, it's not. You're not gonna use that for my TV. You don't use that one. Your mom knows. No, your mom knows. She's trying to use the remote control on my phone. I like that blue on you, big watch. Another another booger. What's up, man? What's going on? Michael Mabry in the house. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys. So let me look at some of the tokens. Yo, TRX was ripping. Algo was ripping. K A KIA. I put a post about this pretty interesting token. It was also ripping. Ondo, people. I mentioned Ondo was gonna do extremely well. Ondo was ripping, and I believe it's got way more room to go. H bar right here was ripping. Jasmine, I have my reserves, but gotta admit, it has been ripping lovely. So I said, okay. Uh BTT, a lot of people don't believe in this token, but it was ripping. Every time BTT rips, I mean TRX rips, BTT rips with it. Win, which is Wink Link, rips with it. And there's another one I just found out, Sun. I don't know if you guys heard of that one, but Sun has also been ripping with TRX and all of them. Da- 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 da. Thanks for pulling for me, bro. Yeah, brother. Maybe needs a wrench, bro. I can just give wrench to everyone. You know how bad that is. Like everyone that's here, just get a wrench here. Yo, you're new to the channel. Welcome. Here's a wrench. Tim Shay's laughing. I'll take one if given in the future. In the future, let's see if we could get some non-blue new listeners too. Yes, yes, you can, Michael. I ain't new. No, no, I'm not saying you're new, maybe, but imagine a new person comes to the chat and everyone is blue. You know how awkward that person is gonna feel. Okay, look, guys, Flair is another one that I'm keeping my eye on it because I think it's almost about ready to rip too. So make sure you're looking at Flair. Um, Multiverse X, but that's way too high for my taste, in my opinion. Uh, you're a good man. I ain't stressing it. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate you. They stick around. They can get one too. So you want me to give a range to every single body that comes here on the channel? That's what you're saying, Jr. Everybody gets a range. Just pop up, hi, welcome, and then a month later, hi, you being a loyal follower, you get a range. Okay, okay. Just me. You are so knowledgeable, Buzz. I thank you, Prince. You know, actually, that's a blessing from God, the way I see it. More blessing upon you, boss. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Bless your heart. Thank you, Prince. Really appreciate that. Many blessings to you too. Shit, Prince sticks around. Okay. See? I know Prince World too, but I can give everyone a wrench. That's the problem. It's like, okay, this is gonna be like the dumbest analogy, but it's like you're the cop that just got locked up. Get the idea how awkward that kind of feels. That's how newcomers, when they see everybody having blue and they don't, just maybe the Yankees might do too. Okay, let me see. What are the tokens? All right, guys. If you don't got yourself a trading view account, let me tell you, it's worth it. Let me show you how I get to see how quick something is moving, right? So right here, I go here, I go to coin screener, and look at all the coins it gives me right off the back, right? Sort by descending. Some of these coins, obviously, I don't know, but the ones that I do know, look at that trust swap, curved out is a good one. So let's look at curved out, right? Let me minimize this. Let me see super. And look how beautiful. I actually saw curved out when it was around here. No, this is BS. This is the 4 hour chart. And this is a potential danger zone if you get in now. But my point is, you could scan the market without going through every single coin, and you could catch it when it just usually I like to see it when it breaks this part, and depending on how I see the volume, then that's when I know it's gonna rip. Sometimes there is such a thing as a fake out, but majority of the time, booyaka. Uh Ambitious people only. The goal is to be blue. You're the man, JR. Wally, check out XRP with hat. Okay, I'll check it out, bro. Do it. Wally, you did mention Margex yet? No, I haven't because I heard of the exchange, but never heard of like how safe it is or anything. So financial advice, it could be a scam, isn't yet laughing out loud. Is Margex a coin, Tim? Because I thought Margex was a exchange. Now my baby looks like it's about to run again. This is on the 5 minute chart, but I'm waiting for confirmation, which hasn't confirmed just yet. Funny enough, I actually saw the top of B chain and it's around 8 cents. Look at that. 8.7, right? But then it went right down here, which is exactly 8 cents. So could it run up a little bit more? Well, got to pass this line and then tap it. And then from there, maybe we'll go down again. Check your X, Waddy. What if you were green, Michael? That's a good song, Michael Mabry. Okay, check my X. Guys, let me go see what's going on X. And by the way, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I, was feeling bummed out and everything, but I was even considering, um, gotcha, bro. I was even considering, like, should I continue doing streams? Am I doing what I set out to do, which is help a lot of people make money, even if I don't make as much myself, but that's basically my goal. And today I got a message from an old friend. When I mean old friend, I have like 2 years I didn't speak to him. And he literally sent me a message and he said, thanks to you, I saw a post on Facebook and you was talking about Jasmine. That was a while back. He bought Jasmine and he's in pretty good gains right now. So that made me feel good. And that's the reason why I said, you know what? I do enjoy what I'm doing. I don't, I do care what YouTube pays, but at the same time, I am starting to see that that's not going to be, you know, unless my channel really takes off, that's not going to be what I should be focusing on as far as trying to get out of the system from there. So I say, you know what? I'm going live today and I'm glad I did because I enjoy it. I actually enjoy what I do. This is why I do it. And hopefully I could help out way more people than just him. Wadi needs to maybe arrange Sam. Wadi getting thank you messages from Diddy. How thoughtful. Nah. The only thank you messages was from Selmo. Now, if they came from Diddy, only Selmo would know. Ah, what does your ex say, Wadi? My ex says she hates me, JR. Oh, had to throw that one in there. Okay. Now let me go check out some of the tokens. XRP with hat. And then let me see what else is over there. I know, JR. I know what you're talking about. I'm just being a clown, bro. Um Deck screener. Whether you keep doing you, man, you could switch your content to best dishwasher on the market. We still be. Damn, Steve, I appreciate you, bro. That's what's up, man. Um, it's just that, man. Like sometimes I feel like when it comes to me and delivering information, I might not be like everyone else. Like literally, I know how to tell you, hey, which is kind of funny. It's kind of like a trust me, bro type of thing. I know how to tell you this coin is good. I don't know how to break it down like through all the technicals and all the, you know, BS type of thing, but I could give you a quick short summary. Like, for example, what I like B Chain. B Chain is a supply chain coin, has real world utility, and there's real company already using it and supporting it. BMW, McDonald's, Walmart, China. I could tell you things like that, but I cannot sit over here and make a whole 10-minute video about BJing and the specific of how it works and all of that. So that's why I was feeling like, you know, a bit down about it. That's all. Uh Steve said, yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is this? What's going on, Seiko? Welcome, welcome. Dear God, Seiko. Yeah. Uh what these streams in Spanish might open another door for that community. Oscar Ramos is doing that now. You know, GS, I thought about that too. Or maybe switching it up. One day I'll stream in Spanish, the next day in English, but I don't know, man. I'm used to speaking English so much that literalmente de seguro la cago cuando hablo en español. Pelosi could use her dishwasher done. Whitey. All right, bro. As long as she gives a good reward, like cool. Buddy, what do you think about Marbit's launch? Bro, I totally missed that. I heard it was a 3 minute pre-sale. That's what's up. Congrats to everyone that got in. Unfortunately, I didn't. I was too busy with everything else that was going on. But all good, man. All good. You have to be really enthusiastic to make it in crypto. Even I know I don't have it. It's a skill. Well, the thing is that, so Steve, look at this. I try to be as energetic as possible, enthusiastic as possible. The biggest issue that I have is due to my condition. Certain times I may sound dry and cold turkey, but it's not because I want to sound that way. It's just because it is that. So, how about your opinion on Moonboy then? Moonboy, I'm gonna bring up the chart, Samantha. That's what JR was hitting me up about. Get your Christmas order in while they got those apple cider donut. It's homemade fruitcake. Selmo, go away, man. Go away. Um, okay, let me see. Beans and Beloga, Seiko. Overnight another pill of shea butter, that too. And you make it yourself. Sam, I think he's bullish of Moonboy, not sure, but yeah. And Sam, love you, bro. No homo. You always got my back. I mean, always there for me. Hey, hey, he always got your back, Somo. Whoa. Seiko, sorry. Just kidding. Just kidding. The launch 5:30 a.m. morning. Jesus, bro. You know, I'm probably like in my third sleep by now. Just a little home, be real, Seiko. Always JR Diddy. Cold turkey with some hot stuffing could be right. Dude, the turkey my sister made was slamming, bro. It's family business, Pelosi a little dry. So okay, you guys are getting out of hand. Let me look at these coins. I'm gonna extend the live stream a little bit longer. Um, what was the damn? They already made a meme coin. Haktua jail, people. All right. Um, XRP with hat. Let me see what is so special about this, Steve, the Canadian. Well, it has been holding up for one day. I see good goodbyes, good sells, forward chart. Let me see. I don't see any red flags. You know what, Steve? I'm gonna put this one on my watch list. Ah, where is it? There you go. I put it in my main watch list. Yeah. Did you ever check out Aerobot, bro? No, I didn't get the chance to do it. I'm sorry, Crypto Dad. By the way, Crypto Dad, is that Billy? Near 1 a.m. here now, so I will be getting off to sleep. All right, Samantha, have a good one. Turn that one. You're the best. While the dinner is in a few minutes. No worries. I don't like you, Tim. I actually ate pretty early, so yeah. Hug to a one for a ride. Yeah, man. Total scam. My girl Pelosi is the OG. But he's one look at him like he's got a good wife. I sure do, bro. I sure do. I got no complaints about her. Hey, crypto dad. No, sorry, because I know Billy Goatels also had a shirt, which is crypto dad. So my bad, bro. Tell you until you finish, but we will get off. Okay, okay. Appreciate that, Samantha. Let me check out Mumba. Mm, I had an extra ode to that moon. So Mumba. Wait, moon credits. What the heck is that? No, none of it is. It's it. Hold on. I know I had on my watch list. Where's Moon Boy? One day chart has been slow and steady climbing. Not bad. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, what else am I looking at? Samantha, even when you put the link, I can click it uh from StreamYard. Yeah, the fake out to a date is doing better than the real one. Yeah, I know, man. That's crazy. I just checked Moonboy, bro. No worries. I'm the OG crypto dad, though. Fourth cycle. I'm just here to see what retail does. Ah, got it, man. Building a big ecosystem in the background. I'm excited. Cool, cool, cool. All right. I'm on the ship. Got a nice seat. We're going to be starting the onboarding soon, and that should help things get going. Maybe needs a wrench. Okay. Um, what I was gonna say. So, is there any other coin, guys, or can I go have my dinner? I am starving though, literally. But seriously, look at aerial butt. All right, let me look at it now. What chain is it on? And which one is the original one? 6 months, 9 days. Let me see that. Okay, it's on base. Uh, okay, the first one. Retail wants a burger. Give them a ranch. Have you joined our Discord yet? Okay. JR, you are a stubborn man. Yes, he is. Base is a great place. First, okay, Tim can be. But you know what's the problem here, JR? That I am more stubborn, bro. You guys, my mom. And then it's funny because she asked me where I get it from. And I look at her and I'm like, you? Okay, so this one, let me add to my watch list real quick. It got pretty good volume, liquidity lock 1.2 mil, not bad at all. Um, damn, no issues with the contract. 100 token sniffer. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a winner. Hey, I said we have a winner, not a wiener, okay? Just in case. Okay. Uh challenge accepted. Bet JR. Bet. What the personal question? How many coins do you have? Now which one? Just how many? If that's not too personal. Well, I'll DM you, Steve. How's the volume? Volume is pretty good. But seriously, give him a wrench. Laughing out loud. Do it. What you don't. What you don't. The volume over here, Tim, is 950K buys, 983K sell, about 2,283 buys, about 1,990 sells. I'm saying it live. I'm gonna take a risk and I'm gonna throw some money in it and let's see what happens. Give him one. No, it's good one, Crypto Dad. Yeah, it is good. By the way, Crypto Dad, do you have a channel? I'll follow you back if you do. Hi guys. Let me get I'll take oh man, hold on. Here we go again. I'll see you in your DMs. I bet JR. Oh wait, did Marvits already launch? Let me see. No Marbit's contract here. Okay. No. Oh, it's going to be launched tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow 5:39. I do not. I'm shy, but I'm on X. Some same name. I'll give you a follow back, Crypto Dad. It's bits. It's bits. um. Nope. Still nothing. All right. I'll bring it back tomorrow. I'll come live and check it out. If you gave Mabry a ranch, you would have already known that. Ah, JR, your game, bro. Your game. The token hash is bits. What's going on, WF Capital? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. And I am out of here, guys. I'm gonna go eat. I'm starving. I ate like around 2, yeah, 2 p.m. And yeah, it's about time. The other thing that I was going to say is that if if you guys notice I'm not posting workout videos, I'm not gonna lie. New York is freaking freezing these past couple of days. So I've been trying to push myself to go out, but the cold weather, it's ridiculous out here. Give him a wrench, bro. I'm just laughing and laughing. Later, yeah, later, big watch. Gave wrenches. Well, it's nearly 2 a.m. here. Okay, Samantha, appreciate you staying this long. Take care. Everyone, have a blessed one. I will see you tomorrow. Well, God willing, obviously. Unless you don't wake me up, then that's a different story. And that's it. Hard to breathe with when the cold hits. No, like literally, Samantha, this cold air is beyond insane. Like, that's the only thing I don't like about winter. I mean, New York is the cold weather, but at the same time, um, unfortunately, it is the longest season we have, from what I noticed. And when the snow kicks in, it's good, it's okay, it's beautiful. But once that snow starts turning into ice, forget it. Good night, Prince. Good night, everyone. Take care. And I am out of here. 3, 2, 1.
Clutch. Wait, crypto, keep it lit.